you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Stakk Nation, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Brazen. How you doing today, sir?
Hey, beautiful morning, man. Beautiful morning. Let's
It
do
is a
it.
beautiful morning. Yes, top of the week, man. Monday. Let's jump into this thing. Ethereum. Check this out. So let's jump in. This article is from Ed Felton, right? Wrote for Cointelegraph, the future of money. Okay. Now check this out. After the merge, Ethereum will have lower inflation than Bitcoin. Especially with fee burns, Ethereum will be deflationary, while Bitcoin will always be inflationary. Although with every halving, the inflation rate goes down, pointed out Raman.
All right. So there's been this conversation ever since we've gotten into this space. There's been this conversation about Ethereum flipping Bitcoin,
Yeah,
and the question I've always asked is, what's Bitcoin's objective and what's Ethereum's objective?
yeah.
So when I read stuff like this, I know there are folks out there that are major Ethereum investors or that are really big into the Ethereum space.
Is it the Real Vision people?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Real Vision guy, right?
Yeah.
And there's this old talk about during this recent times, this recent little bear market run that
Yeah.
Ethereum went up 27%, but Bitcoin only went up 80%, and that's all because of this new switch to proof of stake.
Yeah.
Like, y'all don't understand the background infrastructure of Ethereum and the background infrastructure of Bitcoin, because if you did, you wouldn't be talking this mess.
Well, here's the thing, okay? You have Ethereum and you have Bitcoin, right? It is very clear that one of them was designed right from the get-go. Bitcoin has been functioning the same way from day one, right?
Yep.
And you see that everything that is around Bitcoin eventually has to like bend essentially to fit into the Bitcoin path. Meanwhile, with Ethereum, you have people changing the thing to fit what it is they're trying to achieve. You see what I'm saying?
As a matter of fact, Ethereum came from Bitcoin.
Exactly. So for someone to create something and disappear, and today it is still very relevant, and today you're still trying to beat that thing, it says something. There is no point in time where I think that it's going to be reasonable to spend $40 to carry out a transaction that is not of, you know what I mean, where the transaction is probably not worth it. If you're making $100 transaction and gas fees is $40, it will never make sense.
So what's the benefit if you're saying you're getting off the SWIFT system or the banking system
Okay.
and what you're complaining about that transaction, but you're going to
Exactly.
Ethereum and it's the same thing?
So look, man, it's unfortunate because this situation, they're taking advantage of people who are not informed on the situation. Now, this Mr. Ethereum researcher here, I would like him to kind of dig deeper into this situation because now here's the other thing, right? He goes on to say, while Bitcoin retains its function as digital gold, according to Raman, Ethereum will still have a larger adoption space as the base layer of the decentralized finance economy. It's controlled by people. It's not decentralized finance. They need to call it something else, right? CFI or something.
Yeah.
But the idea that they're calling it decentralized, it's not decentralized finance. And we're yet to see this merge actually happen because all we see is articles. Another point before I end here. If Ethereum is so different, right? And this thing that is about to dominate Bitcoin and doing its own thing, can we see it decouple from Bitcoin already? Yeah. Any final thoughts, sir?
I think it all goes back to understanding the basics, man.
Right.
Bitcoin, every single attempt to make Bitcoin something else has resulted into all this other crap like Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
Bitcoin is Bitcoin, and it remains that way. Anything that goes on with Bitcoin is either on the layer 2 or on the other different layers, which is just trying to make it a little bit more efficient. But the whole ideology, the whole architecture is permanent, it works. Ethereum, on the other end, the developer of Ethereum was actually a Bitcoin developer at some point. But it got an idea and then got investors involved. Just understand, your Ethereum money is not your money. It's major banks behind that money. And of course, you can make money in it. A lot of people are focused on the making money aspect. But you also have to understand, it's not about making money, because if you're making money and you're a fucking servant, excuse my French, you're always going to be a servant of the system. So you're still stuck in the same system.
Ladies and gentlemen, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate you guys. Until next time, Brazen out.
Double O.